Select your exam venue. Step 1. Access your registered Bar Plus email address and check your inbox for an email with the subject, Bar Examinee Number, Selection of Preferred Exam Venue. Step 2. Go to the Bar Plus site and log in your account. Step 3. Click Choose your exam venue in the upper right corner of your dashboard. A 15-minute timer will start to run. Step 4. You will then be redirected to a new window where you can view the exam venues for the 2022 bar examinations, which are divided into NCR, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. For cancellation of venue selection, follow these steps. Step 5. To select your exam venue, click the radio button next to your preferred city with available slots. Fill out COVID-19 vaccination survey questions. Step 6. This window will appear after you select your exam venue, where you must answer questions about your COVID-19 vaccination status information. If you want to change your exam venue, click the Cancel button. A prompt window will appear. Click the Next button to complete your venue selection. Submit your selected exam venue and COVID-19 vaccination survey responses. Step 7. After answering the survey questions about your COVID-19 vaccination status, a summary window will be displayed. Step 8. After clicking Submit, a confirmation window will be displayed. Click No to cancel the submission. Or click Yes to successfully submit your responses. If you click Yes, a successful status confirmation will be displayed. Click the OK button to return to your dashboard. Check your assigned exam venue. Step 9. Your assigned exam venue will be reflected under News and Announcements in your dashboard. Step 10. To view your assigned exam venue and COVID-19 vaccination details, click the View Your Exam Venue found on the upper right corner of your dashboard. Step 11. You will also receive an email confirming your chosen exam venue for the 2022 bar examinations.